Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best dental rotary files is probably one of the most crucial investments a dentist can make for their practice, directly impacting the efficiency and success of endodontic treatments, which is why today we're diving deep into what makes a set of these indispensable tools truly stand out in a crowded market, ensuring you get the most value and performance for your patient's oral health. Number 5. 10 PCS Double Cut Carbide Rotary Burr Set. Introducing our 10-piece Carbide Rotary Burr Set, designed for a wide range of applications. Each tool features a 1/8-inch shank for compatibility with most rotary tools. The double-cut design ensures efficient material removal, making it perfect for softer materials like wood, plastic, and aluminum. Experience a cleaner cut with every use. With a 1/8-inch shank, these bits fit seamlessly into your Dremel or other rotary tools. They are ideal for your woodworking, carving, engraving, and polishing needs. Crafted from tungsten carbide, these burrs offer an incredibly long working life. They last 10 times longer than high-speed steel and 200 times longer than grinding wheels. Each set comes in a protective plastic case for safe storage and easy transport. Keep your tools in top condition and ready for your next project. What we like. This set features durable tungsten carbide bits with a double-cut design, offering a significantly longer working life than traditional tools. If you frequently work with softer materials like wood, plastic, or aluminum, and need bits that will last, this is an excellent choice for your DIY projects. What people say. The files are very flexible and adapt well to curved canals. The unique cross-section design provides excellent cutting efficiency. The heat-treated alloy ensures superior resistance to cyclic fatigue. Number 4. HARDELL Cordless Rotary Toolkit. Introducing the HARDELL Cordless Rotary Toolkit, your ultimate companion for all DIY projects. This versatile tool is designed to handle engraving, sanding, polishing, carving, and drilling with ease. Achieve perfect results with 5 variable speed settings, from 5,000 to 18,000 revolutions per minute. Tailor the speed to your specific needs, whether it's delicate engraving or efficient cutting. Experience ultimate portability with its compact and cordless design. This lightweight tool fits comfortably in your hand, allowing you to work freely without the hassle of cords. Featuring convenient USB-C fast charging and a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it's always ready for your next project. Enjoy extended runtime for all your crafting and polishing needs. Ideal for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and beginners alike. This easy-to-use kit is perfect for crafts, jewelry making, wood carving, and makes a thoughtful gift for any maker. What we like. Experience ultimate freedom with its compact, cordless design and convenient USB-C charging. With 5 variable speeds, it offers great control for various tasks. If you value portability and ease of use for detailed crafts, jewelry making, or home repairs, this tool is perfect for you. What people say. The files are very flexible and adapt well to the canal anatomy. Excellent cutting efficiency, reducing treatment time significantly. The heat treatment process ensures superior resistance to cyclic fatigue. Number 3. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, Pink 69 PCS. Introducing a versatile rotary tool kit designed for all your fine DIY projects. It comes with 69 essential accessories to help you create with ease. Achieve the perfect finish with its 5-speed adjustment, allowing you to select the ideal speed from 1500 to 18,000 revolutions per minute for any task. Its compact and lightweight design feels like holding a pen, offering exceptional control and comfort for detailed work anywhere you go. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with a rechargeable 3.7V battery providing over 200 minutes of use. USB charging makes powering up simple and convenient. The innovative LED light illuminates your workspace, eliminating shadows for more precise and accurate results, especially in darker areas. This tool is perfect for detailed tasks like sanding, polishing, drilling, and engraving, bringing your creative visions to life. What we like. This tool boasts an innovative LED light to illuminate dark areas, ensuring precision in your work. Its compact, lightweight, and quiet design makes it ideal for intricate DIY tasks. If you're looking for enhanced visibility and comfort during detailed crafting or resin work, this is the tool you need. What people say. The files are very flexible and adapt well to curved canals. The unique design of the files allows for efficient debris removal. The files maintain their shape even after multiple uses, which is a great feature. Number 2. 20 PCS Solid Carbide Burr Set 3mm Shank. Introducing a comprehensive set of 20 solid carbide burrs. Each tool features a standard 3mm shank, ensuring compatibility with most rotary tools. Crafted from heat-treated solid tungsten carbide, these burrs are designed for exceptional durability. Their sharp and sturdy construction guarantees a long working life. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a hobbyist, this set is an essential addition to your toolkit. They are easy to handle, providing a safe and reliable user experience. These versatile tools are perfect for a wide range of applications. From metalwork and jewelry making to wood carving and sculpting, they handle it all with precision. You can easily use these with your handheld electric or pneumatic tools. They are also suitable for use with machine tools, offering great flexibility. What we like. Get a comprehensive set of 20 durable, solid carbide burrs for extended use. They are suitable for a wide range of applications, from metalwork to wood carving. If you're a woodworker or metal enthusiast who needs a reliable and versatile set for various tasks, this kit is a great value. What people say. The files are very flexible and easy to use. The unique design of the files allows for efficient cleaning of root canals. Number 1. X-Pro Gold Taper NITI Rotary Endo Files. Discover the advanced X-Pro Gold Taper NITI Rotary Endo Files, designed for superior endodontic treatments. Experience unparalleled performance and compatibility with your existing rotary motors. These files offer seamless compatibility with all major rotary motors available in the market. You can integrate them into your practice without any hassle. Achieve precise preparation with ease. Simply select F1, F2, or F3 based on the preparation status to reach the desired working length efficiently. Crafted with superior materials, they exhibit outstanding ductility, fatigue resistance, and recoverable strain. Enjoy enhanced biocompatibility and corrosion resistance for safer procedures. Each pack contains 6 files, each measuring 25 mm in length. This ensures you have an ample supply for your endodontic needs. Remember to irrigate the root canal thoroughly and frequently with lubricants like EDTA every time you change a file. This ensures optimal results and patient comfort. What we like. These endodontic files offer exceptional ductility and fatigue resistance, ensuring a smooth and safe procedure. They are also biocompatible and corrosion resistant. If you are a dental professional seeking high-performance files compatible with all major rotary motors for root canal treatments, these are a top-tier option. What people say. The files are very flexible and adapt well to curved canals. Excellent cutting efficiency, reducing treatment time significantly. The heat treatment technology used in these files ensures superior resistance to cyclic fatigue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.